Model, 2022 Volkswagen Crafter Cr35 2.0 TDI LWB56K super low miles needs turbo repair 1 owner Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 57,374. MOT, the 28th of April 2026. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PS RDE2. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Turbo sezied needs, straightforward. Turbo replacement job, engine clutch, and gearbox are perfect, genuine, super low mileage. Just the turbo is not spinning. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear